Good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela and this is Angela Mutavi Art. Today I am going to do another traveling cup, and this is gonna be a fall, like autumn painting. Today, this weekend, it's this is gonna be the last weekend of summer here in the United States. So I want to welcome our autumn with a nice little painting. So it's gonna be very minimal paints. I'm gonna have just like 3 or 4 paint colors. So here we have Liquitex Basics, what is this, yellow ochre, Liquitex Basics. This is Amsterdam's Mars Black with burnt amber in it. And here we have another really pretty color, and I think this, this is plum color, and it's a mixture of violet and crimson red. So that's what that is. And they are Amsterdam paints. And here we have this our regular, you know, my favorite paint. This is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. That's what that is. And then I think I'm gonna use a little bit of this silver here. So I'm gonna just use a little bit. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out without silver in there, but I want to put just a tiny bit for contrast. My base paint, this is another challenge. I'm trying to challenge myself to use different base paint. As you guys know, I always like to use white. This time I'm gonna use black. So we'll see how it turns out. It should be fine. So that's what we are going to do today. And my canvas is a 12 by 12. I've already prepared it in the back with the tape and everything. So let's go ahead and start layering our cup. I'm gonna layer all the paints. Now I'm just layering my cup with all these paints. I'm gonna try to do red, then yellow. I don't have my color wheel, so I might be doing this all wrong. I need to paint my mix and then make mud, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. Now we do the gold. It won't be the rest of the colors from the cups. And I want to use all the mixture that I have, that way I don't waste any. See how good it's looking right now? It's pretty good. Alright, one more layer. That's a red. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour. I've got to show you, yeah, I showed you the black that I'm gonna be using. So pour it in the middle and spread it around. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Go ahead and just make sure your sides, if you're not going to paint it, make sure your sides are completely covered with the color that you want, hopefully the base color, and then you can kind of fix it up a little bit later. Alright, it's our traveling cup. Now what I'm gonna do is just gonna do from this side to this side, it's straight, and then I'll kind of tilt back and forth and